We got a special guest in the garden today. Come on, lady. You about to get the little bird out. It's the mama-in-law right here. Yeah, go ahead and get him.
Oh, hi, little one. Come on. Yeah. It's DUNKACCINO time.
Uh-oh, she said it.
You like it? That's all time.
Yeah. Did you get it?
You got it. I don't think he got none. Yeah. He's doing that little
He
thing.
got it.
Want some more? DUNKACCINO.
Yeah.
You ready? Where you put him anywhere?
Yeah. Yep, down.
He's a bird.
Welcome to the world, little fella.
Get him.
Yep. Yeah, his kindred over there, they're getting big.
Yeah, they are.
Still not as big as the other ones. But these are
little.
hey, some little burbs.
Birds are they?
These are the Brahma bantams.
The mean ones.
They're not mean. You know the bird
What
out
is
there
this?
with the feathers?
This one.
That's
Yeah, that's the
barred
one.
rock mixed
They
with
are mean.
mixed with I believe Brisset.
That's it. They are mean. He be chasing that little white bird around the thing.
That's why we ate them. But this little guy, yeah, that's the little bird with his dad has the feathers on his feet. Icarus. All right.
Hey. Hey. Yeah. You gonna go to sleep?
Yep.
All right then.
Hope we don't get trampled.
Hope you don't need it.
All right. So, bye-bye. So I'm left in here alone with the burbs. And I just want to say thank you for rocking with the best, sticking with us. I got some fantastic stuff coming up. I just need a little more time to work on it. I have more photo videos coming. More things with me and Feodora out in the garden, changing things over from summer to autumn. And then we got a whole lot of winter things coming up and, you know, some little special things I have planned. But for now, this is the father of Feodora telling you to do something great. Be safe.
Be safe.
Hug somebody. Love somebody.
Love someone.
Tell them that you love them.
I love you.
And love you too. As always, peace.
From the garden of Feodora.
And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the garden of Feodora.